10 Korean skincare rules to look young. In Korea, they say you can lie about your age, but your skin doesn't lie. Perhaps that's why they came up with revolutionary skincare practices that have invaded the Western beauty industry. I mean, the proof is in the pudding. Korean women and men alike have amazing skin. Are you ready to find out their secrets to a clear, smooth, healthy-looking complexion? Well, just keep on watching. But first, be sure to click that big red subscribe button to join the bright side of life, where you'll find the answers to all of life's biggest questions. And remember to ring the notification bell so that you'll always be the first to see our daily uploads. All right, beautiful skin, here we come. 10. Multi-step cleansing. K-Beauty comes with a pretty complicated cleansing procedure that involves multiple steps. Remember how your chemistry teacher always said that like dissolves like? In this case, the Korean skincare system starts by using oil-based cleansing products to get rid of all oil-based impurities, like sunscreen and makeup. It also pulls out any excess oil from your pores. The second step is to use a water-based cleanser that removes all water-based residues, such as sweat and dirt. Also, every now and then you may need to exfoliate your skin to remove dead skin cells. 9. Facial massage. Facial massages are super popular in the East, probably much more so than in the West. Koreans perform very basic massage steps every single day to make their skin look smooth and fresh. The tapping motions used help stimulate the lymph nodes, which prevents aging by promoting blood circulation and eliminating waste. Massages are frequently used along the V-line, in areas above and between the eyes, and around the mouth to prevent wrinkles. Here's the best way to perform your daily facial massages. Start by cleansing your face and sanitizing your hands. Apply your favorite moisturizing product to your skin. It's a necessary step as it allows your hands to move without unwanted friction. Tap or gently massage the product into your skin. Start with the sides of your cheeks, then move to your forehead and chin. Lightly press on your skin 8 to 10 times. After you've massaged all parts of your face, massage your neck using gentle pressure and motions. 8. Moisturize immediately. If you really want to take advantage of the moisturizing process and allow any lotion or cream to fully penetrate your skin, make sure that you moisturize as soon as you dry off from the shower. Since your pores open up while you shower or bathe, it's best to apply your moisturizer to your face no more than a minute after you've dried off. 7. Vitamin C. Vitamin C has all kinds of skin benefits. It nourishes dry and dull skin from the inside out, and its antioxidant properties purify fatigued skin. It helps brighten and freshen the complexion by improving the skin circulation. On top of that, vitamin C boosts the production of the all-important collagen, which, as a result, reduces wrinkling. And citric acid works wonders for ridding your pores of excess dirt and oil and removing dead skin cells. Overall, using vitamin C in your skincare treatment will leave your skin bright and clear. To take advantage of the healing powers of citric acid, use a vitamin C serum or just squeeze half a lemon into a bowl, add water, and apply it to your skin with a cotton ball or disc. If you have sensitive skin, use more water and less lemon juice. Always remember that you should not use lemon or any other treatments containing vitamin C before going outside. Vitamin C makes your skin more vulnerable to sun damage, which can leave you with dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Save your vitamin C treatment for the evenings. 6. Ginseng. Ginseng is probably Korea's top medicine for good health, and the same goes for your skin. It acts as an antioxidant, prevents aging, maintains the skin's elasticity, and lengthens the lifespan of skin cells. Ginseng is also very effective at increasing collagen production, which, again, means fewer wrinkles. Here's how to make your own DIY ginseng skin mask. Take 1 tea bag with ginseng powder. Dissolve it in 1 cup of very hot water. Leave this mixture to cool. Apply this tea to your face with the help of a cotton ball. You can leave it on or rinse it off and apply moisturizer. 5. Hyaluronic acid. As we age, less and less sebum, that's the oil in your skin, gets produced. As a result, the skin aging process is accelerated because of a decrease in moisture. Hyaluronic acid is an excellent moisture-binding ingredient. With its use, sagging skin becomes hydrated and firmer, and wrinkles become less visible. Hyaluronic acid works for all skin types. Obviously, more mature and dry skin feels much better thanks to this acid because it gets the moisture it desperately needs. But combination and oily skin also need hydration. Hyaluronic acid is great for those types because it feels weightless on the skin. As for blemish-prone and sensitive skin, the antioxidant properties in hyaluronic acid really calm it down and soothe it. 4. Snail mucin. Yep, you ready to put snail slime on your face? Hey, don't knock it until you try it. Korean skincare makes good use of the natural skin-enhancing benefits of snail mucin, which contains a bunch of amazing elements like collagen, hyaluronic acid, vitamins, and mineral salts. It's naturally designed to regenerate cells because snails use it to restore their shell. Because of its structure, snail mucin minimizes the damage done to your skin by free radicals and normalizes the production of collagen and elastin. It also has an anti-inflammatory effect, so it calms and removes irritation. It hydrates the skin by covering it in a thin, invisible film that holds moisture in while still allowing oxygen to pass through and let the skin breathe. 3. Sun protection. If you're in a battle against aging, your number one enemy should be the sun. The problem is that collagen production decreases in the dermis when your skin is exposed to UV rays for a long time. This results in thinner skin and the appearance of wrinkles. Sunscreen is a must in the K-beauty system. In fact, Korean sunscreens are much more effective than Western ones. Sunscreen in Korean skincare has a relatively light texture, gets absorbed well, and doesn't leave any sticky or greasy residue. Not to mention, Korean sunscreens moisturize the skin and can even be used before applying makeup. Plus, aging and beauty aside, protecting your skin from the sun is crucial in preventing melanoma, or skin cancer. 2. Collagen. How many times have you heard this word today? Only about 1 million? Well, that's because your skin absolutely needs the stuff. You see, collagen is a type of protein that provides structure for your skin. It's like a frame that holds a building together, and without it, that building would fall apart. Collagen helps maintain the skin's elasticity and makes it more luminous. Skin that's lacking in collagen becomes saggy and starts losing its fullness and firmness. All these processes can even cause facial features to change. Unfortunately, collagen production slows down drastically with age. That's why collagen serums play a very important role in the anti-aging K-beauty process. 1. Peptides. So, we just talked about how collagen is a protein. Well, these things called peptides make up the segments of this chain-like protein. When your body detects an increasing amount of peptides, it gets a message that the skin is losing collagen, so it starts producing it, which is exactly what we want. In other words, products containing peptides help increase collagen production. There are many different kinds of peptides. For example, palmitoyl penapeptide 3 stimulates the synthesis of collagen and aids in skin repair. Hexapeptide reduces deep lines and wrinkles. And acetylhexapeptide 3 limits those neurotransmitters that order your facial muscles to move. Just choose the product that contains the type of peptides you need most and go for it. Of course, you can always visit a dermatologist for information. What are your favorite ways to keep your skin young and radiant? Have you ever tried Korean skincare products? Did they work? Let us know in the comments below. Give this video a like if you found it useful and share it with your friends. Be sure to subscribe and hang out on the bright side of life.